Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates, nandito lang po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyong laging inapangan sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal Renzo Tarot Channel. Ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Pisces, okay? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Ay mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at akabang maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates na bago po sa ating channel. Kamusta po kayo? I hope you're doing good, you're safe, and of course, you're healthy. Sige, nating patagalin pa Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kunin na natin ang isang pumara. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, and Sisters. Holy Spirit, give us 10 cards, please, for Pisces. I hope you're in good condition. I hope you're safe, you're healthy, and of course, you're happy. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, at pagmamahal. And kapag nagustuhan niyo po, nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, ay don't hesitate to comment at like, share, click the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe po our channel. Sige, try na tayong anim. Last 4 cards, 7, 8, kompletuhin ko na, 9, 10. Okay, Pisces, without further ado, sisimulan na natin ang iyong reading. Okay. Oh, this is a very beautiful card. The dominating card. Emperor. Okay. Pisces, I can see her na if you're waiting for a sign, if you're waiting for it's like a signal from the universe if you are on the right path, if you are on the right track, kung tama ba yung tinatahak mo, yes. This Emperor card signifies higher being. For me, the energy that I can feel here is this is universe. Ito yung Panginoon. Sinasagot ka, binibigyan ka ng assurance that what you are working on, what you are patiently waiting for, there will be a yes, a big yes from the universe. So, kung ano man yung inantay mo, i-claim mo na yan because nandito sa Emperor card, positibo ang nare-receive nating energy dito. It means, ko-confirm yun ng mga susunod na baraha. I can see her. If you're waiting for an answer, this is the best sign na yes, the yes daw yan para sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Let's continue. Ito, Tower cards. It means something is about to end talaga. So, ending, closure, pagtatapos. So, maybe ito na yung mga sitwasyon, mga toxic situation, unhealthy environment, hindi mga magagandang mga sitwasyon na nag-cause sa'yo ng trouble, ng sakit ng ulo, ng anxiety, hindi nagpatulog sa'yo ng maayos, nagpapayat sa'yo kung ano man yan. So, the universe is telling you, the Emperor, with this Emperor card, that is now over, tapos na yan, wala na silang babalikan sa'yo, and you will be moving forward, Pisces, with filled with positivity, filled with new hope, panibagong pag-asa, as like you will be moving forward na positibo ang pag-iisip, of course, so that is necessary. But this Tower card, Pisces, signifies, as the universe is telling you, that everything that caused you disappointment, sadness, or kung ano man yan, is about to end or talagang matatapos na, sorry. Okay? So, Pisces, mag-celebrate. Oh my God, hulaan nyo. Sorry, nahulog pa. Magician. Yung rank 1 sa mga cards natin ay lumabas sa pa. Sinabi ko sa inyo doon pa lang sa Emperor card, sinabi ko sa inyo, sasagutin tayo ng mga baraha. Positibo ang nararamdaman yung energy. So, Pisces, claim it. Celebrate now. Magsaya, magdiwang, advance celebration because a big thing is coming in your way. If you're waiting for something, matagal mo nang tinatrabaho, yes, it will be given for you. A lot of good news, success, recognition is coming on your way, achievement, positive results, kung ano man yan. Like a magician, Pisces, you will be doing things easily. Magagawan mo ng lahat ng paraan ng maayos, masusolusyonan mo lahat, ano man ang isipin mo, ano man ang gawin mo ay talagang aayon sa iyo ang magandang kapalaran, aayon sa iyo ang swerte. So, sabi ko nga, advance congratulations. So, I'm so happy for you, Pisces. So, tatlong baraha pa lang, but all of this are already signifying, sending you a message, Pisces, that you are on the right track. Nasa tamang landas ka. Okay, you need to hold on. Eto na, pasabog to, grabe. Oh my God, Pisces. High Priestess, manifestations, your spirituality. So be grounded on your spirituality, Pisces. I know that you're a religious person. I know that you have strong faith in the universe sa Panginoon, and continue that. Huwag mong babaliin yan. Huwag kang papalya dyan because it is one of the main factor bakit lumabas tong Magician and Emperor card, kung bakit may wish fulfillment, bakit may mga dasal kang i-grant the universe because you are grounded in your faith. Whatever tribulations and hardships ang dumadaan sa buhay mo, still, hindi ka pa rin nagpapatalo. Kumakapit ka na sa panalangin. And with that, um, hindi nakapagtataka, Pisces, na talagang ibibigay sa ni universe ang lahat ng mo yung kahilingan, ang lahat ng yung mga minmanifests because nakita niya na persistent ka, naging matyaga ka, hindi lang sa mga sa salita, sa gawa, but of course sa yung pananampalataya o sa yung faith. Naniniwala ka talaga na sa tamang panahon ito ibibigay sa iyo. Now, with this Magician card and with this Emperor card, sabi ko nga, Pisces, i-congratulate mo na sarili mo in advance because this is big, this is massive. Good news is coming on your way, Pisces. Let's continue with this Page of Swords. So here you are. Wala nang takot. Kasi nga, ito na. Nararamdaman mo ito sa katawan mo, Pisces. Parang bago ito. Bakit parang biglang nawala yung mga, insecurities mo sa sarili? Pisces, mo-comment nga kung ganito na yung nararamdaman nyo yun. Parang gumising kayo bigla isang araw na parang wala na, nakalimutan nyo na lahat ng yung takot ba. Although andyan pa rin yung mga problema, andyan pa rin yung mga dapat solusyonan, but still parang here you are, this is a new Pisces, ready to face the reality na buong tapang, walang takot, walang hiya-hiya. So it's like you're now filled with so much confidence, Pisces. Here, look at this Page of Swords. Ikaw ito, hindi ka lang papapekto sa mga doubts sa likod mo, yung mga cloudy moments, mga reaction ng mga tao sa paligid mo. But you are just going to do your things kung focusan mo kung anong mga bagay na talagang feeling mo ay dyan ka aligned at hindi ka mapapekto sa mga sasabihin ng iba. Okay? Because maybe they will not understand what you're doing, Pisces, but still you need to continue. Pagpatuloy mo or you need to continue or finish that path because that is where you are aligned. Okay? So, before tayo magpatuloy, kapag naka-resonate po kayo, mag-comment, like, and share. Don't forget to press the notification bell and of course, subscribe po. So, big celebration is coming on your way talaga, Pisces. Nine of Cups, hindi lang ikaw ang magiging masaya. Your members of the family, your circle of friends, the people that you value or that you are trusting. So, makatapat sila ng Emperor card. This is wish fulfillment talaga. Wish being granted. Maraming good news. But I can see here, it's all about recognition. Siguro makaka-receive ka ng award, ma-recognize, makikilala ang craft na pinaghirapan mo na matagal na panahon. Mabibigyan ito ng pagkilala or like recognition niya. So, award, incentive, bonus, kung ano man yan. So, of course, it will make you so much happy because nakita mo na that your hard work has been paid off or being rewarded. Congratulations, Pisces. Napakaganda nitong mga cards mo sa reading na to. I'm so happy for you. Okay? So, di ka ito papatagalin. This is the Lover's card. So, magkatapit sila ng Tower. If you're in a relationship, Pisces, maybe those cloudy moments, mga miscommunication with your partner is over. It's now over. So, expect a blossoming relationship in the coming days ahead. Okay? Kasi nito yung Tower 7, tatapusin na yon. Magkakaroon na ng clarity, magkakaroon na ng closure, ang lahat ng bagay. May intindihan nyo ng bawat isa. And of course, you will be moving forward. If you are single, with this Lovers and Tower card, I can see her na siguro yung stagnancy mo, maybe you already wanted na makapaghanap na ng the one or something to be in a relationship. But it seems na sa mga nakaraang panahon, Pisces ay parang hindi ganun umaayon sa'yo. But now with this Tower card, think positive because may mga blockages kasi nangyayari but because of the Tower card, it will now be removed by the universe. So what does it mean? Expect na paunti-unti sa mga darating na araw, you just need to do your part. I-open mo lang ang puso mo, ang iyong sarili sa possibilities in terms of relationship. Magugulat ka biglang may darating sa'yo na tao na mag-offer sa'yo ng, they will express their feeling for you, Pisces. And you will be surprised because it is something new, bago ito. After all those weeks, months, and years na parang medyo mailap sa'yo ang tadhana in terms of love life. Okay? So, hindi lang career, hindi lang pera ang mamayagpag sa inyo, Pisces, but even in your relationship and your love life that is coming ahead. So, Page of Cups, harvest season, no doubt, because talagang you will be reaping into all the fruits, all the benefits of your hard work. So, ito, Pisces, malalagpasan mo lahat ng pagsubok. Okay, this will be easy for you, madali na lang ang lahat. And you will be holding this cup, may laman siya na fish, so it means na talagang against all odds, lumaban ka, against all odds, what is this, pinakita mo sa lahat na hindi pa huli ang lahat para sa Pisces. Why? Here, magkatapat sila ng Magician card. Everything is possible. Okay? Everything is possible with faith. Basta naniniwala ka na magbabago ang lahat para sa'yo. Of course, the universe will be rewarding that mindset with good news, blessings, abundance, and prosperity. Okay, this Page of Cups signifies that your harvest season is about to come. Pisces, just need to hold on patiently. And of course, you need to continue put your faith grounded in your faith, kasi ito yung nag-signal kumbaga ito yung nag-trigger kung bakit ito ang lahat na to ay mga parating sa iyo. Itong mga abundance, prosperity, good life, good news, it's because you've been grounded with your faith. Okay, harvest season is about to come for you, Pisces. Congratulations. And we have here the Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands, sorry. Nine of Wands, this is all about those people that are envious or envy of you. May mga tao sa paligid mo na minamastan, ini-stalk ka, parang tinitingnan ang bawat galaw mo, mga moves mo. That's why kung ako si Pisces, if dumating itong mga blessings or kung ano man yung mga moves na ginagawa mo as all about related sa yung future, sa yung career, o kung ano man yan, advancement or enhancement of your life, you need to be careful about your moves. You need to be careful about disclosing the ideas or the information tungkol sa bagay niyan. Kasi hindi mo alam, baka isa sa circle mo or isa andyan lang sa paligid itong stalker na to na talagang mamasid or maybe gagayahin yung strategy mo, gagayahin kung anong style or design ng diskarte mo. Okay? So, you just need to be careful. Pisces kasi meron talaga ito. Ayan, nakamasid sa gilid, tinitingnan, waiting for you to fall. Nagaantay para bumagsak ka. But I know, hindi nila kaya kasi guaranteed ka na. Guided ka na yung Panginoon. Dito si universe sa likod mo. Guided ka na yung spirit guides mo. Kasi dito yung high priestess, yung mga ancestors mo, mga pumanaw na guided ka din, protected ka, divinely protected ka na. So whatever they're going to throw at you, evil eye, babalik ito sa kanila. So the karma will be on their side. You just need to hold on, pagpatuloy lang, dead man na lang. Kahit malaman mo kung sino yan, don't react, Pisces, kasi bahala ng universe sa kanila. Okay? 10th and last card, tapusin natin ito, Pisces, with this Two of Swords. I can see here a new opportunity that will arise for you because there's an island, may bagong isla na mabubuo. So maybe in the coming days ahead, Pisces, expect na mga panibagong opportunities na magbubukas para sa iyo to consider or maaring subukan mo. And it will, of course, it will involve decision making. You need discernment, talino, sa pagpipili sa tamang decision. But I know that you can do it because you are already matured. Papalakisin ang loob mo dito si universe sa likod mo, the magician. You are assured that whatever, kung alin man ang pipiliin mo, ano man ang decision na gagawin mo sa mga darating na araw, ito ay aayon sa'yo or it will be for your good or talagang magbubunga ito ng magandang result. Okay? So, that's it, Pisces. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Pisces ang makapanood ito ngayon. At kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at hindi pa po kayo nag-subscribe, please do subscribe. Kapag nagustuhan niyo po, of course, don't forget to comment, like, and share, and press the notification bell para lagi pa kayo updated sa ating mga susunod na videos. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, maraming salamat. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless us all.